This video tutorial will provide you with instructions that will help you to get rid of the ransomware called xort. xort is the ransomware that is able to considerably damage the files that users store on their hard drives. Now, before the ransomware attack, there are no troubles opening any file types, including pictures, music, Microsoft Office documents, and other data. But sadly, because of some leaks and vulnerabilities in the system, this particular xort ransomware may be pretty easily injected into the device. So then it reveals this ransom note. The ransom note, by the way, is in Russian, and it appends this xort extension to the file names. The ransomware tells the victims that they need to pay the ransom for file recovery, but paying the ransom is not a good idea because this does not guarantee the file restoration. If you pay the ransom, you may just waste your money. Don't pay the ransom. I recommend that you remove this ransomware with the help of reliable antivirus program such as Combo Cleaner Antivirus. You may get it on the page combocleaner.com, download it, install it, then the program will be initially in the trial mode, so only this quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. The software would first of all update its anti-malware database, and truly this is essential for proper detection and removal of any malware or ransomware. Combo Cleaner is provided with anti-ransomware feature that allows you to add one or several folders that would always be protected against ransomware attacks. Combo Cleaner, however, does not decrypt files. It helps to detect this ransomware. It helps to remove this ransomware and to protect your data. But file decryption is not possible for Combo Cleaner or for any other antivirus. At the end of the scanning, you will see the summary of all the infections which were revealed on the computer. You will be able to know their exact locations on the system. Some threats can be removed manually, but I recommend that you upgrade to premium license, which will help you to always get your data protected.